Hi guys, this is Kevin Brandon, and I wanted to create a few videos to show you how to go from Photoshop to create an HTML and CSS page. In class, we created a design in Photoshop for the Ozio Authentic Sushi website. Before we begin, I want to make sure we have all the assets required to make this page. To begin with, I want to make sure that we have the fonts that are required for the page. In the design, we used Squad 1 and Titanium Web. Both of these fonts can be found on fonts.google.com and can be downloaded for free. The two applications that we're going to use for this project will be Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. This is the application where we'll open up the design and export the assets from the Photoshop document to create the HTML and CSS page. We'll also need an HTML and CSS coding application. So we're going to use Brackets. Brackets can be found at brackets.io and is a free download for Macintosh, Windows, or Linux systems. Once you've downloaded these assets and applications, come on back and we'll take a look at the Photoshop design and how to go from Photoshop to HTML and CSS.